One brutal question decides this. What rate would you give up on your entire current balance? In 2026's rate environment, the HELOC wins for most homeowners who locked a low first mortgage rate. It leaves that rate untouched, costs little to open, and charges interest only on what you draw. A cash-out refinance makes sense in narrower cases. Your existing rate is already at or above today's market. You want one fixed payment on a large lump sum, or you're replacing an adjustable or FHA loan anyway. The deciding question is brutal and simple. What rate would you be giving up on your entire current balance? Millions of homeowners hold first mortgages locked in the 2s, 3s, and 4s. A cash-out refinance replaces that entire balance at today's rates, a cost most people radically underestimate because it applies to every dollar you already owed, not just the cash you take. The HELOC sidesteps it. A second lien behind your untouched first mortgage, minimal opening costs against a refinance's typical 2 to 5%, and interest only on what you actually draw. 3 honest cases. Your current rate is at or above market. Replacing it costs nothing, and cash out becomes clean. You want one large fixed lump sum with one predictable amortized payment. The HELOC's variable rate and draw then repay structure is the wrong shape for that. Or you're restructuring anyway, leaving an adjustable, dropping FHA mortgage insurance, shortening the term. On taxes, the same IRS rule governs both. Interest is deductible only when the funds buy, build, or substantially improve the home. Run the one question first. Multiply your current balance by the difference between your locked rate and today's. That annual number is what the refinance really costs before it delivers $1 of cash. If your rate is low, take the HELOC, draw in stages, and lock portions if your lender offers fixed-rate locks. If your rate is high, price the full refinance. The full comparison and FAQ are free at dreamyleads.com. General information, not professional financial, tax, legal, or insurance advice. See the full breakdown and compare your options at Dreamy Leads Research. The link is in the description.